Welcome to Wander Arizona Pines, where modern luxury meets mountain serenity. I'm Sarah, and I'm going to be showing you this stunning 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom property that sleeps up to 8 people, located in the exclusive Pine Canyon Golf community. This beautiful architectural gem of a property has 2 stories, earthy tones, and a seamless indoor-outdoor experience. So let's go take a look inside. Upon entry to the home, you're met with our expansive living room and dining room area. And I have to say, the first thing you're gonna notice when you walk in this space is just how cozy it is, yet how elegant. I absolutely adore these high ceilings here. It just elevates the whole space. To this side, we have a dining table that comfortably sits 8 people with this beautiful chandelier. This is great for celebrating those special occasions. However, my favorite part of this space has to be this living room area with this oversized, cozy couch and this adorable fireplace TV setup we have right here. We have this lovely reading nook right here, which is so lovely just to sit here right next to the fire. But the standout element has to be this indoor-outdoor experience that we have in this room right here. To this side of the living room, there is a wall of floor-to-ceiling windows that actually opens up into a sliding door where you can step out and have a full outdoor living space. There is so much seating here. This is a great spot for cocktails in the evening, or even just enjoying the stargazing at night, because it's absolutely incredible here. There's actually a famous observatory here, and we're going to be talking about that in the travel guide. So make sure you check that out after this video. And there's even a telescope in the garage for your use, which is a great way to enjoy this beautiful area. One of my favorite parts during the day here is just a view of the snowy mountains in the distance. But that's not all this outdoor space has to offer. We also have this amazing corner, which is full of so much fun. I'm obsessed with this bar area here with the 4 bar stools, giving you a little sneak peek of the kitchen, which I'm going to show you in a moment. We have a grill for your use. And of course, while you're grilling, what better way to enjoy yourself than looking at these beautiful views, or even watching your favorite show. This is so fun. And then if you look right down here, there's actually a fireplace here. And this fireplace looks right through to the primary bedroom, which I'm going to show you momentarily. So let's go take a look back inside, where I'm going to show you our stunning kitchen. Come with me. This modern kitchen is a chef's dream because you have everything you need in here to cook a world-class meal. This is the window that opens and closes, which is great for summer, and you get those beautiful mountain views while you're doing the dishes. I mean, gosh, that is a dream. We have every appliance you could ever need to make a great meal here. Plus, I'm obsessed with just the materials that they used in this space, with this gorgeous marble countertop here. You have these beautiful tiling right here and these globe lights. It just elevates the whole space. We need to take a special moment in this kitchen just to admire the variety of coffee options. If you're a coffee lover, you're going to be obsessed with this kitchen, because we have an espresso machine that's very high end here. We have a Nespresso machine for those that want a quick fix. And then we also have a high-end grinder here. However, we also have a pour-over coffee option right here, and we have coffee beans for your use. And for those tea lovers like me, don't worry, we didn't forget you, because all Wanders have high-end tea available for you. We also have tea kettles here, both electric and stovetop. It is just perfect for those that are looking to get caffeinated. Now, there's many places you can dine in this area. This kitchen island actually has seating for 6 with its lovely little bar stools around the corner here. And then we also have that dining table that I showed you earlier that has seating for 8. Now we have an oversized refrigerator here with a microwave and a stove right here for your use. And then inside of all of these is actually hidden storage, where we have tons of different appliances and dishware and glassware. This is just the perfect place for entertaining. And what better way to entertain than to hire a private chef while you're here for your special occasion or your vacation. Our Wander Concierge can recommend the best private chefs in the area so you can have an amazing time while you're here at Wander Arizona Pines. Now let's check out the bedrooms in this space. Now there are 4 on this property. 2 are on the lower floor, 2 are on the upper floor, and we're gonna see the primary bedroom first. But first, there is a half bath right here for your convenience. Now let's go check out the bedroom. The primary bedroom is a modern sanctuary. This fireplace right here, this is kind of an indoor-outdoor fireplace in a way, because this is the same fireplace that we saw outside on the patio. And in fact, the cool thing about this bedroom is that you do have access to the patio right here. There are also floor-to-ceiling windows in this space, and a great element is that there are automatic blinds on all of the windows throughout this entire property, living room, bedroom, everywhere. And you can just simply press the button right on the wall here and they'll all come down, giving you privacy in this space. We do have a flat screen TV here for your entertainment, and there is a king size bed right in this space. And let me tell you something, the beds here at Wander are the best. They have super high quality mattresses and sheets, making sure that you have a better night's sleep here than you do at home. Just everything about them is just so cozy. And we do have wireless cell phone chargers on either side of the bed. You have these sleek reading lamps. And again, there's just this earthy tone throughout the entire space that just makes it so peaceful. Another thing I love about this space is there's tons of storage in this area for your things. However, we have a walk-in closet as well, and that is right in here in the primary bathroom. So let's go take a look at that. The primary bathroom is an absolute stunner. And my favorite part about it has to be this freestanding bathtub here with all of the relaxation elements that come with it. They have bath salts for your use. We have all types of elements just to make sure that you feel relaxed and rejuvenated when you're staying here at Wander. And of course, there's the beautiful mountain views right here. I love this chandelier. It's so elegant and chic. And then we have this beautiful marble countertop with dual sinks, perfect for 2, with our Wander amenities right next to it. That comes with a toothbrush, a sewing kit, a vanity kit, a loofah. So if you forget anything at home, don't worry, we got you covered. In addition to that, our Wander towels are here, and those are the softest, coziest towels. You'll get our Wander bathrobes, our slippers, everything to make you feel relaxed and rejuvenated. And one of the coolest things of this room has to be this massive walk-in shower with 2 shower heads for your convenience. We have a shower bench, high-end shampoos, conditioners, body washes for your use so you don't have to bring it from home. And this also has a window out to the outside that has privacy screens so you can look out at the forest while you're showering. It just is so incredible in this bathroom. There's a separate toilet room right here, and then even a walk-in closet with tons of storage for your convenience. Off to the side of the primary bedroom, we have another bedroom with a queen size bed. This bedroom does have its own in-suite bathroom and walk-in closet, and this bedroom has views of the golf course from the back. You also have all of the amenities the other bedroom has, including the wireless cell phone chargers, high-end mattresses, sheets, towels, and everything else that Wander comes with. If you head down this hallway, we have our laundry room and our mudroom with extra storage for all of your things, in addition to an amazing garage in here with a golf cart for your convenience. Now let's head upstairs. Upstairs, you'll find our TV room and entertainment room, and this is the perfect spot for having a good time. There is a huge flat screen TV right here and a Sonos speaker, and then underneath it in all of these cabinets, you have all types of games to play with loved ones. You also have more games right up here, and then right to the back of this space, we have a wet bar with a wine fridge, so you can make your drinks right here and then bring them over to this cozy seating area where you could maybe watch a movie, relax in the beanbag chair, or enjoy the indoor-outdoor experience. The floor-to-ceiling windows in this space are actually accordion doors that open up to this lovely lounging area right out here. This has seating for around 6 people. My favorite part is this fireplace right here. It's so cozy, and in case you're counting, that brings the grand total of fireplaces in this property alone to 3, which is so cozy for a ski town. I love that. You have the beautiful views. This is just a great area for entertaining overall because, again, you can do indoor or outdoor. To the back of the entertainment space, we have 2 bedrooms on either side right here. This one has a king-size bed with an in-suite bathroom, and this one has a workstation, which is fantastic because there is high-speed internet here on this property, perfect for those that are working remotely or simply like browsing the internet. And then the other room is our kids' room. This room is an absolute blast. We have bunk beds here for the kids, which they love. And then there's just so many toys in here. We have this lovely little table with tiny chairs, all different types of books, toys, games for them, and then even an in-suite bathroom right here with the most gorgeous sink. I just love how they designed this space. It's actually one of my favorite bathrooms in this property. And in addition to all of this fun that you have in the kids' room, we also have a crib for your little ones, and that you can find in the primary bedroom's walk-in closet. And that's our house tour, but there's a few other things you should know about during your stay. So let's get into it. So how do you get here to Wander, Arizona Pines? Well, if you're in the area, you can drive here, or if you're flying in, there are 2 airports you can use. One is the Flagstaff Airport. That's about a 10-minute drive away, making it very convenient. However, a bigger airport that is a great option is the Phoenix Airport, and that is about a 2-hour drive away. And I really recommend you rent a car while you're here. It will give you the ease to explore the area at your leisure. However, Ubers and Lyfts are readily available. Do you ever feel overwhelmed with what to do during your stay? Don't worry, we can help you out. Our Wander Concierge team is available 24/7 to help. Simply message them through our Wander app or at hello@wander.com anytime with questions. However, if you're looking for cool things to do, we have a travel guide about all of the amazing things you can do in this area that you can watch right after this video. At Wander, we believe that life's special moments are meant to be celebrated together. Our properties offer the perfect backdrop for these occasions. Whether you're planning a dream wedding, a bachelorette party, a milestone family reunion, or any other special gathering, Wander allows you to create unforgettable experiences. Visit wander.com/events to discover more about making your celebrations extraordinary. Thanks so much for joining me at Wander, Arizona Pines. Now let's head out and explore the local community because there is a ton to do, eat, and see here. You can see it all in our travel guide coming up next. We can't wait to welcome you. Bye.